Hello guys, hello people. Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest update. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you take come across this video. I saw this video on the internet and I thought it wise to bring it to us, and I don't know what you think about the video, so I'll allow you to watch the video to the end, and please do write on the comment section what you think or what's your opinion. In this channel, all opinions do count and I accept it, my people. So before I go, if you're here, if not subscribed, please do support this channel by clicking on that subscribe button and turning on your post notification. So my people, let's watch it.
You can just talk to me. You can start talking. Ask it.
All right. How are you? What's your name? Okay. What are you here for?
Our military Baba Sunday Kulu
Okay. What do you want? You want him sent back to Nigeria? Why?
It's only pay any country to just pay on back to our more Nigeria now. No one fine you. No alone. Wá lọ ni wọ́n ti lọ sílé rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti lọ bà ilé rẹ̀ jẹ́ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ pa àwọn èèyàn méjì sínú ilé yẹn. Wọ́n pa àfáà kan, wọ́n dẹ̀ pa ẹnìkan náà bẹ́ẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn yẹn a tún lọ sí láti kan ní Ọjọ́ta wá lọ wọ́n tó pààyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Ẹ̀rí a tún kó àwa èèyàn gírísà. Wọn ò tí ì tàwọn tí wọ́n fi sílẹ̀, àwọn tí wọ́n mú nílé rẹ̀ àtàwọn tí wọ́n mú ní kí wọ́n tí ì fi sílẹ̀ inú tí wọ́n fi lé sílẹ̀ fún yín. Àwa ọmọ Bẹ̀nẹ̀ tí ó wà ní Nàìjíríà lásán bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa wá bí wọ́n ṣe ń kó lára wa àwọn bá ti ń gbọ́rọ̀ orúkọ bàbá yìí òun ni ó máa ń rìn ní ìtura sílẹ̀. Ó sọ pé òun lòun ní jẹ́ handicap fún gbogbo àwọn tó àwa ọmọ Bẹ̀nẹ̀ táwa lọ́hùn tí wọ́n bá ti pákó láàrin wa wọ́n á lè ráyè pa gbogbo wa táwa lọ́hùn ìjọba wọn á lè rí àrà tí wọ́n fẹ́ dá. Fẹ́ kí wọ́n sílẹ̀ ìbẹ̀rù bójú ẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kí àwa máa rìn láàrin ìgboro Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀rí ẹjọ́ ẹ má gbé fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà ẹ sílẹ̀ sí Bẹ̀nẹ̀ àbí kí n jẹ́ kó máa lọ sí Jámánì rẹ̀ jẹ́jẹ́. Kó má lọ sí Nàìjíríà o tó bá lọ sọ́run wọ́n á pa ni torí àwọn ọkọ̀ ẹ̀ ti pa àwa tí àwa ẹbí àsìkò síbẹ̀ ni wọ́n pa Abíọ́lá wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ àfẹ́ ojoojúmọ́ ayé wọ́n ń dúgbò ẹ̀yìn bẹ́ẹ̀ ní dúgbò ẹran wọ́n ń bá ìyá sùn wọ́n ń du ọmọ wọ́n ń bá bàbá sùn lójú wọ́n ń bá ìyá sùn lójú bàbá àfẹ́ àlèdàpọ̀ àlèsí kankan. Ẹjọ́ ìtorí Ọlọ́run ẹ má bá wa gbé fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà o àfẹ́.
Orúkọ ti tèmi ní Mikael Ajíbádé, ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ lè ní àbúrò mi ní Sunday tí ó wà níbà ilé ìlú tí gbogbo àtòrí ẹ̀ wà níbà yìí. Nǹkan tí a fẹ́ tí gbogbo àfi péjọ níbà ilé ìlú ni pé a jọ arọ ìjọba Benin gbogbo ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ dá fún wọn yanjú gbogbo everything ní Kútọ́nù níbà yìí àfẹ́ kan sí Sunday lọ sí Nàìjíríà. Àwọn ìjọba Nàìjíríà ìjọba pààyàn ni wọn. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti ń sọ òótọ́ wọn ò kí ń tẹ̀lé àfẹn tó bá ń parọ́ nítorí ìmọ̀ títí wọn nìkan. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń kidnap àwọn èèyàn tó ń já àwọn èèyàn gbé gbogbo àwọn tó ń gbé K47 lọ́wọ́ kiri wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ wọn ò lọ gbé wọn wá kílì wà ń bẹ̀ wọn ò lọ mú wọn. Many people wà ń bẹ̀ láwọn ọ̀dà wọn ò lọ mú wọn wọ́n mọ ní wọn ò lọ mú wọn. Sunday Igboho ó wá jẹ́ pé ibi tí ilé ẹ̀ wà lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ àwọn náà ni wọ́n lọ́yàn lọ wọ́n lọ finá síbẹ̀. Wọ́n tún wá lọ kọ ilé ẹlẹ́kejì ibi tó ń gbé wọ́n tún pa èèyàn méjì sí ní ọrùn so wọ́n tún pa àwọn èèyàn lọ. Àwọn Lady K Omíyalé Táíwò gbọ́n wà ní kọ́tọ́rọ̀ àwọn DSS l'Abuja till now. Oúnjẹ kí ni wọ́n fún wọn bẹ̀ omi wo wọ́n fún wọn mu kí ni ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n kà fún wọn ní ọrùn tí wọ́n fi gbé wọn lọ síbẹ̀. Ìjọba Nàìjíríà wọn ò tẹ̀lé òfin so ìjọba apààyàn ni wọ́n àfẹ́ kí wọ́n gbé Sunday àfẹ́ kan. Sunday kì í ṣe kírímínà o ó ń jà fún human rights ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn ló ń jà fún nílùú yìí. Òun jẹ ní ó fi àwọn èèyàn ní ọkàn balẹ̀ nílé àti lóko èèyàn gidi ni o àfẹ́ ìpalára fún. Àwọn náà ni wọ́n lọ kó gbogbo ilé ẹ̀ tí wọ́n bà nǹkan jẹ́ tán spoil many things nínú ilé ẹ̀. Ṣé àdúpẹ́.
So Sunday Iran. Why doesn't he not feel safe in Yoruba land? Why did he run?
We can't expect him to stay as Nigeria land.
But it is Yoruba land.
It's Yoruba land.
And he should be safe, he should be secured by his people.
Yeah, because Nigeria is
Nigeria is something that we know. I don't know how to we are on live.
Yeah.
So Nigeria is something that is not secure for people that say right. Nigeria is not secure for whoever that's saying right. So, and we cannot expect him to stay in Nigeria. You invade his house first time, but people burn his house. Second, they invade his house, kill two people and take some people away. So we cannot expect him to stay in Nigeria. So you have to look someone else to stay. That's why he leave Nigeria. That's why he leave Nigeria for Benin. So on his Germany, he was captured here. So with released to Nigeria. They should not release him for Buatai or for Buhari, please. So that is what I can.
Thank you very much. That's all for now. We are still live at the the court of appeal in the Republic of Benin in Cotonou, where a lot of Sunday Igboho fans are numbers, and as time goes, they're coming in more and more. Now, what we do know is that he was supposed to be here at 10 a.m. But right now it is 11 a.m. and there's still been no sign of Sunday Igboho, and they are getting increasingly frustrated. Another elder here, I would like to add, we have some elders here.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nǹkan tí àwọn Haúsá Fúlàní tán ṣe fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kìí ṣe nǹkan dáadáa. Àwọn bàbá wa ò lè lọ sóko mọ́, gbogbo àwọn ìyá wa wọn ò lè lọ sí odò mọ́. Wọ́n bá lọ báyìí pípa ní apá wọn, ẹbí wọn pa wọn bá sùn. Èèyàn wá ń jà lérí ẹ̀tọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀tọ́ fún ọmọ Yorùbá. Kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe? Wọn tí òun lọ bá wọn mọ Gúnmi wákìlì gbogbo wọn kò sẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọn mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ni nǹkan tí Sunday Igboho ṣe ẹ ti gbà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? Kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan jẹ́ ṣe nísìnyí ẹni àpò abẹ́rẹ́ lórí wọ́n pawó lọ́wọ́. Kí ni nǹkan jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ fi ṣe tó lè pé wàhálà kò ṣẹlẹ̀ lérí ìjọba Nàìjíríà? Ẹ bá sọ fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà kó
ẹ ṣé gidi gan tó bá ti bọ̀ àwọn ọmọ àwọn ẹ̀rọ.
Lókè ìjọba Nàìjíríà ìjọba àpàlẹ̀ tí wọ́n kò sẹ́ni tó máa ń lọ tó máa ń padà sí o tó máa ń tẹ̀sí ní kẹ́míkà wọn fún ọgbẹ́ ìpínlẹ̀ ìjọba láti wọn náà ti bá tó wà ní ọkọ̀ wò bá ní wọ́n kọ̀ wọ́n ní láti Nàìjíríà lábàtà ìlú fún òfin balẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn ya mẹ́ta lé ní àmọ́ wọ́n tíyàn gbé ni àwọn èèyàn lọ bí wọ́n bá mọ́ tí yóò bá máa rí ìmúta kan àti mẹ́ta lé ní ẹ̀rọ jáde pé wọ́n lọ sí ẹni tí yóò bá mọ́.
All right, so what do we know so far? We've been here and we've spoken to several of his fans, his supporters, and his family members, and they are very adamant in Nigeria. They want him free and they want him to leave the country because for the right of the herdsman, he shouldn't at all assured in Nigeria. The main examples of Biola, wherever he wants to live, which was Germany. What we know so far, he was interrogated this morning by the Beninese police. His wife was also interrogated this morning by the police, and he has been charged with inciting rebellion. Remember, he became very earlier this year. He announced an ultimatum against this in the region. Since then, he has people all the Igboho. So still live at the appeal, waiting for Igboho. He's late. He was supposed to be here by 10. It is 11:06 now, and well, they are going to patient. They really hope the president will take the right decision and have him freed, because they truly believe he has done nothing and as ever he in the world.
Lord,